Hello guys, I'm Claudio from Cartitude and welcome back in our studio. As you can see, it's fresh renovated. We just installed the flooring, walls are repainted. Now it's nice and fresh. As you know already, we never stay still. All the time we try to improve our equipment, our workshop, our skills, everything. Today we have in the bay this Lotus Exige 410. This car was fully protected by us 1.5 years ago. Full front end PPF and rest of the car ceramic coating, and a few days ago somebody just reversed on the car and damaged this area. In this case, the PPF did his job. I did a mobile inspection to the customer address and I leave the PPF to check if the damage hit the paint and damaged the paint, but everything was in the PPF. The scratch don't touch the paint. The car was booked with us. We removed the PPF. We did the paint preparation, washing, decontamination, buffing, the full process. Even if it's just a panel replacement, we fully decontaminated the full car. We reinstalled the fresh PPF and now we just keep the car inside to set up properly and we'll be ready for collection soon. But the PPF saved a lot of stress and protect the investment to our customer, because to respray the full front of this car and to match the color of this sensible paint with a lot of pearls and metallic, probably the cost was massive. Just this PPF replacement was a few £100. The car is look brand new again. We'll go on this bay. The main project this week is this RS3 full car PPF. It's a flat black paint, a very sensible color. It's very hard to maintain this color if it's not protected properly. What we will do on this car is full car coverage. Any little trim and panel, gloss black trims, everything will be fully protected with PPF. We already started the process on this car. The paint is corrected. We installed the PPF on the bonnet, bumper, wings, and now we continue with the rest of the car. But let's go to see the process and I will come back later. The car is now ready for collection. It's here on the back. Was a lot of work on this car in previous 5 days. We did a full car PPF installation on the full exterior surfaces, even the gloss trims around the windows. Every little piece of the grille is protected as well. But because it's a flat black paint, hard clear coat, yeah, Audi, and was full car PPF installation. Before we end this video, I want to show you a little part from our process, something that I don't share it with you before in any videos, but it's good for you to understand exactly how a brand new car, 2020 plate, that was running on the roads just few days before was bringing it to us, how that condition of the paintwork can be, even if it's a brand new car. Let's go there to the TV and I will show you our inspection process and the pictures that we recorded in our system. Okay, exactly as I told you before, even brand new cars need a good preparation and detailing before the PPF is applied. Why? Because any little mark, any imperfection will show under the PPF if the paint is not prepared properly. I want to make all these mentions and introduction, especially on this car, because it's a flat black paint, hard clear coat, and if the paint is not prepared properly, the end result will be worse. I will turn off the light and I will show you some pictures that we record in our system before we start the PPF installation. Pictures that are forwarded to our customers every day for approval, and then we can continue the process and the work. Yeah, I will turn off the light, you can see better the TV. And here we have the first folder. You can see in this area a stone chip. Here are some little marks. This is the door handle and was some light wheels. The wheels very contaminated, that was need a very good decontamination. Some light marks on the mirror cover wheel as well. Look here. These light scratches and swirls, brand new car, 2020 model. A little scratch there. Next one. Here was a deep scratch that we corrected before the PPF was installed. Wheels are contaminated as well. Some light marks on the trims, swirls on BC pillars. Look here, these scratches. Probably was a beer drop or a stain or something, and the valeters at the dealership or any car wash that washed this car before, they tried aggressive to remove that stain and they create micro scratches on the paintwork. Same that needs to be corrected before the PPF is installed. Here in these pictures you can see before and after. This was the condition of the paintwork before the PPF was applied. Here on this side is the original condition. On that side we already started the paint correction. Here you can see before and after pictures. Now you can understand better how important it is when you detail, when you protect your car, to choose the right partner that understand exactly the surfaces that they work and they strive to achieve the best result on your car. Because PPF protection is not just a piece of plastic installed on the paintwork. The paintwork needs to be bring it on a very good level before the PPF is applied. And just a quick buff, a quick polish, it's not work. To correct all these marks and swirls and deep scratches and stains, we need to choose the right products, right tools, right equipment, a mix that an amateur don't know how to do it. Here at Cartitude, your car is in the best hands, and we guarantee you will have the best service and the best experience in our industry. If you need any services in the future, you know already, Cartitude is the right place your car needs to be. Please subscribe, follow us on social media, and we'll come back with new videos soon. See you soon, guys.